What's the plan for today?
We're going to take this classic Z400 and tear it down.
Ooh. So, we will be taking tank, handlebars, headlight, exhausts, seat, mudguard, all off just now. And then that'll leave the wheels engine to be done, jack the frame up, then we'll get the wheels off and eventually take the engine out. It's been fiberglass. Have to repair that then, what? And we'll get a pin on that. Next, you're going to take the exhaust off, exhausters, and then we'll have a look at this nest of stuff. Gee, friggin' heck. These guys are easy enough to come off. Dodgy connections here. Exhausters off. Okay, so most of the bits have been taken off, loosening off or putting some releasing on all of the engine mounts, brake caliper mounts, swinger arm mounts, and then we'll get wheels off and engine out, forks off. Most of it off, exhausts off, seat, tank, wiring all off, foot pegs, gear changer, and now the front wheel. So now, wheels are off, forks are off, just taking off the swinger arm, suspension, get the engine out, and that's us. Stage 1 complete. Yay! Engine out the frame and all the parts with it. Good stuff.